Okay, another attempt trying to beat my record time of 45 seconds. Let's mix this up good. Alright, that looks good. Alright. Here goes. 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, done. Not bad. Alright, with that last one, I think we made a new world record. For me, at least. I started the cube at 44.5 seconds into the video, and I ended at 1 minute and 23 seconds into the video. And so if you subtract 44.5 seconds away from 1 minute and 23, then you end up with 38.5, which is my record. Oh yeah.